Katia with Lunar Sun Creations. I finally have finished the first version of my mix and match new tutorial. So this tutorial, there's two versions of the album. The first version will come out first, obviously, and I'm going to release the first part tomorrow. I had meant to release this video right after the Distress Ink video, but then I got the crazy idea that I should organize my studio, which took me down like a total rabbit hole of organization, which took me many days, and it's still not done. You know how that goes. It's slightly more organized though. I can find things a little easier, so that's good. So this tutorial is different because I was really curious. I cut 5 different sized pieces of cardstock. And I'm like, how many pages can I create with just these 5 pieces, like different designs? So I actually came up with 16 different page designs using only 5 different sized pieces of cardstock with like very minimal variations. So I'm pretty excited about this. It turned out really cool. So the first version uses Stamperia's Wonderland paper collection, but you can use any collection you like, as with any of my tutorials. So yeah, I'm excited, and I did a little bit, I did the Distress Inks, and then I did kind of like a mixed media cover, a couple little kind of jewelry bits as like closures, etc. So yeah, let me know what you think. So the first version the first part coming out tomorrow, and it's a 5-part series, and then we'll move on to the second version of the album. And by then, hopefully my studio will be completely organized, and maybe I can show it to you. But I don't know, it's basically like a glorified closet in my house. It's only like an 8x10 room. It's very tiny, so I've got a lot of stuff packed into it. But we'll see. We'll see if it gets organized enough to actually show you. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking, and I'm just going to show you the first version of my Mix and Match album. Big hugs. I hope you're all doing well and happy and safe and healthy. And sending you lots of love. Bye! Okay, so here is the album. The front cover is kind of like a bit of a mixed media project with some stenciling and chipboard pieces and stuff like that, kind of a Mod Podge scenario. I'm just starting my mixed media journey, so it's a work in progress. There's the spine, there's the back. The album measures 8 by 6 1/4 with a 3-inch spine. So this is version 1 of the album. I'm going to have 2 versions because the album is, like I said, made with just 5 different sized pieces of cardstock with slight modifications to them. So every single page design is a mix and match of those 5 pieces. Okay, so I also wanted to show you the little charms that are attached to the ribbon pull. If you would like me to do a video showing how I made those, please let me know. They're just simple, but still very pretty. So we open this up, and on the inside cover, a little super cute little dragonfly there, and it just shows that this opens up, and then this goes down for places for photos, and then it opens, and it also opens up like that, and then to the side, and then this also opens to the side, and this little metal piece says "Live the life you've imagined" on the first official page. So there's another little dragonfly here, and this is, I just was trying to think of different kinds of closures. So this is another kind of jewelry inspired thing. It's just a woven kind of like swirl, and then this hooks in around the swirl to keep this closed. So again, if you'd like to learn how to make that, let me know, write in the comments, and I will do a video on that. So that just opens up for two photo spaces and then opens up like that, and then the whole thing goes to the side, and there's a pocket, and I forgot to put something in the pocket. So imagine that there is a tag in that pocket. Okay, and then we'll close that back up. On the second page, I've literally just finished this. I've still got some clips holding things that were glued down. Hopefully that is dry. Alright, so a little buckle kind of thing there, and that opens to the side, and that opens to the side. And I've already released a video where I did a whole bunch of like distress ink, stenciling and smooshing techniques, a whole bunch of different distress ink things. So this is one of the pieces from that, and then it lifts up just for more room for photos. On the corresponding page, another one of those latches, and this opens to both sides, and then it also opens down, and then this lifts up, and there's another one of those pieces that I was telling you about that I made in that video. On the next page, it's probably dry now, so this opens to the side. Oh, I was bringing it up because I wanted to show you this really pretty little brad. Roses on there. So that opens, and this is a pocket. And then the whole thing opens to that side, just for more space for large photos. On the corresponding page, this is a pocket with a tag there, and then a ribbon closure with some eyelets, and that opens up for more space for journaling and photos. Close that back up. I'll do it up later. And then this also opens up, so you could put another tag in that pocket as well, and have one underneath and then one over top like this. And then on the last official page, this goes up, and got two pockets with tags. And again, these are more of the inking from that inking video that's already released. Okay, and then on the back cover, I did some little more jewelry little pulls, just with like head pins and gemstones, and you pull it up and down, and then it's like attached to a belly band, and then there is a tag in behind there that goes into the belly band and then tucks into the corner pockets there. So that is the album. I think it turned out really, really awesome. I think the tutorial for this is going to be in 5 parts, including the kind of mixed media cover here. So there'll be 5 parts for the first version of the album, and then the second version of the album, it'll either be at the very end of this month or the beginning of next month. So all of those pages, we're using just 5 different sized pieces of cardstock, which is pretty awesome. Alright, so I hope you loved it, and I hope you're having an incredible day. Big hugs to you all, and share this video with your friends if you enjoy making this tutorial. Love you all. Bye!